Hello my favorite people, I hope you are doing good. In this video we're going to talk about Blum. A lot of people, most of my subscribers and my followers on TikTok been asking me on how they are going to double their Blum points. All right, so most of people used to have just like regular number of points, like you will see a lot of people with 40,000, 20,000, 30,000, and so if you really want to get points like 100 plus points here, you need to work for it, definitely. All right, and you need to know the smart way to do that. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you the easiest way you are going to do everything to gather a lot of points on Blum. All right, so this, as you can see, this is a new account, and we are going to head to the task, and I'm going to show you how to do the task in a few seconds. All right, so without wasting any time, let's do it together. Please, before we start, if you are new to my channel, I need you to subscribe now, because I will be updating you back to back. All right, so let's see how to do it. Go to your tax, touch your tax like this. When you touch it, you're gonna see this text. You need to do all of them. You need to go and watch this YouTube video. So what you are going to do here, if you don't want to waste your time, you just need to start tapping. You see, you can tap 3 at the same time. Just touch 3 at the same. Start. You see this start from, I will start down, from down up. All right, I will touch 3, start once. All right, let's see. You see, I touched 3, start once. All right, so I will just cancel this and go back. I will just cancel this and go back. Watch me. You see, I just cancel and come back here. All right, it's easy as that. I will just need to claim tree. You see, I have claimed tree. I'm done with this tree. The next thing to do is press 3 at the same time. You see, 1 2 3. You see, so and I will cancel this one too, as easy as that. I will keep doing that until I finish my you see. So let's continue without claiming. I'll go for another 3 here. You see, so for you to be going one by one is going to be hard for you, and it will waste a lot of your time. So this is exactly what you need to be doing ASAP to finish your, you see, I have 4 already. So 1 2 3 again. You see, I just press 3 at the same time and they are loading here. So this is exactly how you are going to, this is the same method that you are going to follow to finish your task ASAP. All right, so let's claim 1 2 3 4 5 6. You see, I'm done. I've just claimed my stuff. All right, you see this one's here, down here. You see, claim. So after this, the next thing you have to do, this you have to finish this from the beginning until the end. Finish all of them. You are going to use the same method. It's easy, the same method. And here, let me show you this one. There is one here that makes people, yes, this one, join or create tribe. You see this one, what you are going to do, you come to your home, touch your home page like this. You touch your home page, you come your home. You see, I've already got 2,000. So if you continue, you finish all and you will get thousands there. All right, so you have to join tribe. You see up here, look up here, you just need to open this and choose any tribe you want to join, anyone. You see, join tribe. So you see many tribes here. You see tribes, just choose any tribe you think you want to use, you want to join. I'll use this one, touch join. Yeah, you touch join like this. You see, you join a tribe, then go back to your task and collect your points. You see, when you come back to your tribe here, you see, you're gonna claim. All right, let's go back to the tribe. Which one is the tribe? Here is join tribe. Just press start. You see, it's loading, and you are going to claim it right now. You see, we claim 300. So this is very easy, and I'm going to show you how you are going to do the double, how you are going to get your let's go to the next one. Please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe before you go to the next biggest move. All right, so as you can see here, I'm done with all my tasks here. I'm done with my tasks. The next biggest move that is gonna make you point is friends. Let me touch here. When you touch here, you're going to see friends. All right, so as you can see here, I have only 12 because I just claimed like 3 to 4,000 points I have got from my friends. So what you need to do is you need to encourage, like you need to speak to people around you. You need to explain what is going on here. This Bloom is something that's going to make people money for free. You don't need to pay any amount of money to mine here and get money. You can talk to people and tell them what are the benefit of this, and you can make them join. And you need to find people who are hardworking, people who are going to be mining like every day, who are going to be updating every day, so that when they work, you will get your percent from there. So as you can see, I have 32 friends. These 32 friends are, most of them are very hardworking. They used to work very hard. That is where I used to get some points from them. Like I used to get 2,000, 3,000 single day. In a single day, 2,000, 3,000, 1,000, stuff like that. All right, so they are making me real points here. They are helping me to make real points here. All right, so and the next thing that is gonna help you make more points is yes, like I said, the next thing that is gonna make you more points is the drop game. As you can see here, I have only 9 drop games. I used to play this game back to back. I'm not playing. I don't play with this thing. As you can see, I have 150, almost 150,000 Bloom points. All right, so these are my secrets, and this is how I've got these points. Okay, I'm not playing. Let me show you how I used to play this game. While I'm playing this game, in every game I used to get an average of 150 points. Average of 150, sometimes 160, 170, 180, 90 plus, but most of the time is the average is 150. I even used to get less than that sometimes, but I used to play this game back to back. I don't used to have many people. You see many people with 150, 200, 300 drop game. They are not playing. Why are you not playing? Why are you not playing? You have to be playing this to gather points. You need points. All you need is this blue point here. That is all you need. All right, so when I'm playing this, I use my 3 fingers. That's how I used to do. Let me play one game for you to see how the average I'm getting. All right, let me show you. You see, I'm using my 3 fingers here. Let me show you how average, how much I'm gonna get in one single game. I used to get an average of 150. So you see, so I'm getting less maybe because I am recording. All right, so the average is 150. I got 138 now, less than 150. All right, so this is how I used to play my game. You know, I don't used to play with this thing. Bloom is one of the biggest project, like I've been saying. So if you know you're playing with this project, you need to stop playing with this project. You need to take it serious, work very hard, and earn points in this situation we are in. It's gonna help you a lot. All right, so thank you for watching this video, and please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Like I promise, I will be updating you back to back. I will be updating you with any information that you need. And please, if you have any question or something you want to ask me, you can go to the comment section. It is all yours. Thank you for watching.